Go to Settings Shipping Rules. Click Add a shipping rule, and set up rules according to your needs. Freight means the shipping cost of each order that your customer pay on your store. Sequence means the priority of the shipping rule you set. A rule with higher priority is firstly executed. Please refresh the page after clicking Confirm. Use the shipping rule you set to place orders. Go to SourcinBox Orders. Click Order. Usually, the order shows the default shipping method. You can click Rerun Shipping Rules to use the shipping rules you set.